New at 11, drug overdose deaths have hit a new high. More than 100,000 people across the country died during the first year of the pandemic.
That's almost a 30% increase from 2019. Sarah Hammond spoke to a Norfolk woman who is in recovery. She told us you can't be afraid to ask for help.
Over 100,000 Americans died from a drug overdose last year. That's about one person dying every 5 minutes. Melissa Merritt says she's been hooked on drugs since she was 15. It started with marijuana and progressed into opioids and crystal meth.
You know, I broke the law, been to prison.
She says it was hard to finally accept help.
The phone is real heavy when I would try to ask for help in the right way. But when I had to call the dope man, it was super light.
Now at 42, she says she's been sober for 4 months. But those 100,000 people who overdosed in the last year won't get the chance to say the same thing.
I get nauseous. It breaks my heart. You know, they don't have to. It doesn't have to be that way.
Leah Hancock and Dr. Eric Jones with the Inspiration Health Addiction Treatment Center say they attribute that rise to a number of things.
I think pandemic had a lot to do with it. The availability of the drugs, the cost.
He says they're doing what they can to get that number down with a holistic approach to recovery with medical treatment along with counseling.
The majority of the people we see are in the most productive ages and times of their lives.
Hancock says they're also able to provide Narcan for free to anyone that may need it.
We train our patients on it. We show them how to use it. We give it to them so that around anyone or a family member or friend or happens to them, it will save their life.
And Merritt says her message to anyone struggling with addiction is to accept help.
It's a risk, but without a risk, there's no reward.
In Norfolk, Sarah Hammond, 13 News Now.
If you or someone you know needs help, there are resources available. The Inspiration Health Addiction Treatment Center is located in Virginia Beach. You can learn more about their work on our website, 13newsnow.com.